All right, kindergartners, today for morning jobs, once you're done with your name, practicing the letter of the week, your star words, your sounds, and then your numbers, we're going to do reading. But today, you're going to need to get a piece of paper, a book from your turn page. So mommy and daddy are going to need to help you with this part because you're going to need to go to page 54 and we're going to rip out the story, A Walk. So you'll need to get your yellow Your Turn book and have mommy and daddy help you rip out the book, A Walk. So it's page 54, a 5 and a 4, and then you're gonna rip out the book and then fold it in half, grab a pencil, and then I'm gonna give you directions for what word you're going to be looking for today, what letter you're going to be focused on today, and underlining a sentence. Okay, so I ripped mine out, and here's mine. A walk. Now you want to make sure on the back, first thing you do is always the same. Pick up your pencil and write your name. I have my crayon here, so I'm going to write my name, Mrs. O, and then I'll turn it over. Okay? Now before we can start our book today, we have to write down what letter we're going to look for today, what star word we're going to look for today, and underlining a sentence. So this letter that we're going to focus on finding today is the letter E. So I'm going to do a lowercase e up at the top, and then I'm going to put a dot underneath so that when I'm reading today, I know if anywhere I see the letter E, I'm going to put a dot underneath. And then the word we're going to find today is our star word of the week, which is A. So remember, it might be at the beginning of a sentence and look like a capital A, or it might be in a sentence and be lowercase a. I'm gonna put a box around both of those because if I see it today in our book, I'm going to box it. Okay, boys and girls, so if you see the letter A in a word, then it's a letter. But if you see the letter A today all by itself, then it's a word. It's a tricky star word like that. Okay, so we're gonna dot the letter E when we see it today when we're reading. We're gonna box the star word A if we see it when we're reading today. And remember, the last thing we're going to do when we're reading today is underline a sentence. And remember, a sentence starts with an uppercase letter and it ends with an end mark. So I'm gonna put a period here, or maybe I'll see an exclamation point, or maybe I'll see a question mark. So all of these are end marks that we could see and we would know that that's the end of a sentence. Okay, so I'm gonna go through right now and do the first page with you and then you'll do the rest on your own. So our title is A Walk. I see a, what's that a picture of? Do they give us a clue? Bird. I see a bird. Okay, so if I'm remembering correctly, I'm going to dot the letter E. So I think I see 2 here. And then I'm going to box the word A. Did I see A on this sentence? Oh, I did. There it is. Oh, I see A in the title too. It's an uppercase A because it's the title of our book. Okay, now I'm going to see if I can find a sentence. So I know a sentence starts with a capital letter. So this I is capital. And then does it have an end mark? Ooh, I see a period. That's an end mark. Okay, so let me see if it works. Word, space, word, space, word, space, word, end mark. That is definitely a sentence. So I'm going to start with the capital letter and I'm going to just underline it all the way to the end mark. All right, boys and girls, the rest of your job for morning jobs is to do the rest of the book yourself. Remember, you're dotting the letter E, you're boxing the word A, and then you're going to underline the sentences that you see.